Hello guys, in this video I'll show you an easy fix of what you need to do here if you're not getting chests in Taskbar Hero. So without further ado, let's get started. First up, what you need to do here, you need to press on the settings icon here, other, and make sure Steam inventory issue is resolved. Press confirm. Next up, what you need to do here is to go to the mailbox and we need to wait for 10 seconds and then we need to press refresh button here. And after that, you need to look if you're getting chests or not. And if you get some chests, then what you need to do, and if you get or not get the chest, the third step, what you need to do here is to completely exit the game. And then go to Steam. And then re-enable that particular game. Wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. Then again, go to the menu, then go to a mailbox, wait for a couple of seconds until the timer is out. And then you need to look if you're getting chests or not. If you're still getting chests after you do so, then restart the game again and go to the mail and press refresh until you not get any more chests. And then you can play the game because all your chests will be claimed. And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like.